In this video we're going to show you how to remove the rear seats, the bench and backrest from an Audi A3 8P, so years 2004 to 2012. The tools you'll need for the job: a ratchet with a 17mm socket, a ratchet with a T30 Torx bit and a flat screwdriver. Firstly, remove the things from the boot area, so the parcel shelf needs to come out. Fold both seats down. Remove the boot carpet. And then you need to remove the things around the spare wheel. Now remove the toolkit. This is the Quattro model, so this has got the full foam toolkit around the edge of the spare wheel. That needs to come out. To remove the rear bench, first remove the 4 Isofix covers if you've got Isofix. They just push down and pull towards you. You can see there the profile, that's where the bar sits, so just push them down and pull towards you. Do that for all 4. Now the front of the seat and the rear is clipped into place. Remove the front first. There's a mounting point here in the middle of each side seat. You just need to get your hands there and give it a good pull. Do both sides. And the rear of the bench, just hooked in underneath. What you need to do, while keeping the front edge supported, push back and pull up. And you can remove the bench from the vehicle. You can see the points on the back there. That there is just hooked in on the side. You'll need to remove the bolt that's in the anchor point for the centre seat belt. That's there, that's a 17mm. Just undo that. Now remove this cover that's covering the bolt where the hinge is, using a flat screwdriver to get it in and just get up the side and just pry it away. There's 2 little clips that are just sat into a groove on the hinge. Pry that up, that'll come away. And there you can see the clip on the inside there, that's what you've just got to pry away. This bolt here needs to come out, that's a T30. Once that's out, you need to remove this little clamp that just swings over. You might need to fold the seats up, or just one of them, just to get it out. That's it, and now that's out. To get the seats out, lift up in the middle, and then that'll just pull out. They're just on pegs at the side. You see there's a peg. The seats are just slotted onto those on the outside. Once they're out, you can remove both seats the same way. That's the seats removed from the vehicle.